have this 1980 Mercedes up on the lift. My plan was to do a very thorough brake inspection. And I've already pulled all the pads out. And guess what? I'm finding all kinds of problems. All kinds of problems I've seen over the years. And the brakes are talking to me. You know, if you watched any of these videos on this car earlier, I actually had squeaky brakes. So it was talking to me, you know, a month ago. But after getting the wheels off, pulling the pads out, it's saying all kinds of things to me, okay? So what I want to do is I want to do a series of videos on the language of brakes. This isn't going to be a series on how to fix brakes, how to change pads, how to change rotors, and so on. There's all kinds of videos on YouTube about that. What I want to do is to show you examples from this car so you can learn to listen to your brakes. You can look at them because they're going to talk to you. And there are things that you're going to see here and say, oh yeah, if I would have seen that, I could have spotted the problem before it became a major problem. And brakes are a safety issue. So you really do need to learn how to speak brake if you're going to own and drive one of these older cars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to each wheel, okay? So this is just an introduction to kind of explain what I'm going to do in this series. So in part 2, I'll go ahead and go to each wheel. We'll talk about what we see. We're going to listen to what the brake, rotor, caliper, whatever is saying to us. And then we're going to move on to the next one. And then in part 3, I'm going to go around and start fixing things, but I'm not going to focus on, you know, just changing the pads or changing the rotor. I'm going to focus on fixing problems that might be missed, because this car has been in the shop. It's had this rotor replaced, this caliper replaced, and a rotor on the other side replaced. Nothing was done in the front, and it wasn't done properly because things were missed. And so that's why I want you to learn how to speak brake. So I also want to let you know in this introduction to this series that during the month of January, this is January 2018, so if you're looking at this video, you know, 6 months from now or a year from now or whatever, don't expect this to be the case. We're going to put all my brake products on sale. This includes brake hoses, brake rotors, calipers, pads, and all my brake bleeding and brake servicing equipment. We want you to fix your brakes. Learn how to do it yourself. Do it right, because this wasn't done right. So remember, January 2018, the whole month, we'll have all our brake products and supplies on sale. Just follow the link in the Show More part of the description. It'll take you right to my website and give you the full listing of all those products.